Hey Mark, how you doing? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I spoke with Angie earlier about getting this video sent out to you. It's just got some tips and tricks you can actually do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful. Now, as you see, I got Alabama Discount Roofing pulled up here. Uh, you got your button up here. This needs to be a click to call button. That way people can get in touch with you. Um, Most people are searching on cell phones these days, and that way they can just click right in here, hit that button, and get in touch with you. Um, Love your photos that you got on here. You got your form submit down here. I like that you got all your reviews in here, your certifications, your warranties, the type of shingles that you do or the type of roofs that you do. A little bit about yourself. Look at that handsome guy right there. Um, Only thing I see on here, Mark, really is content. Google loves content, and reason being, bots are sent out 24/7 to crawl these sites to see what these sites are actually about. Um, what profession you do, roofing, where do you do this roofing at? Central Alabama, but it really needs to be down to the exact city. So Birmingham, Alabama roofing, Birmingham, Alabama, things like that. There needs to be about a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on this homepage. And throughout that content, again, you want to have buyer intent keywords. And again, that's your service that you provide and the city that you provide that service. You want to make sure that you're also saving these photos as keywords along with your videos, because that's an opportunity to sneak you a keyword in there. The bots that crawl these sites don't see these amazing photos. They just see what's behind them. So Birmingham Roofer would be a great one to just put that in there behind this one by itself. Now, what I've actually done is I've put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and what it's going to do is give me your analytics and where you're sitting in Google's eyes. Now, this is your UR, this is your DR, this is the strength of your website, and this is the trust. This is out of 100, so you want to try to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. Now, you've got a 2.2 for your trust on your website, and that's probably because of your backlinks not being as strong in the trust area. Backlinks are very important. They are what powers your website. They're what powers your keywords to your content. So you want to make sure that you're getting authoritative backlinks. Stay away from the spammy backlinks. The more authoritative backlinks that you get, make sure that they're relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. You know, like you've been on a blog article or on a article that's like click here, and then whenever it says click here, it takes you to another website. So essentially that's, say you're in a roofer's blog and it's Alabama Discount Roofing. If they click on that, it brings it to your website. That is a backlink. You are sharing power from one website to another. Now, you don't want to go to Pizza Hut and leave a review and put your URL in there because, yeah, it's a backlink, but it's a spammy backlink because it has nothing to do with roofing. Now, you're being found for 129 organic keywords, and this is something I wanted to show you. It looks like you're getting power to these statewide keywords. So you've got Alabama roofing, and that is the state. So no matter where in Alabama someone searches, even if they're 4 hours away, you're getting traffic to your website for it. But you're not getting any traffic at all for roofing company Birmingham, Alabama, and this is only a 6 KD and 300 searches a month. KD is your keyword difficulty. You looks like spending money on these statewide, very, very high KDs. So I wouldn't think it would be good to get 350 volume with 22 KD when you can go down here and put roofing companies Birmingham, Alabama, and you're getting 500 searches a month with only a 6 KD. These are very, very, very high KDs, and they are statewide. You know, again, the keyword is the city that you do your service in and the service of what you do. So Birmingham Roofer, that's a pretty high KD, but roofing companies Birmingham, Alabama, there's 500 people searching that each month, And once you get to the first page, you'll grab a portion of that for yourself. Now, Mark, what I've done to find you is, I know you're paying for the Google guaranteed ads, but like you're not even showing up here in the top 3. And these are usually the most trusted. And the Google guarantee is a good way to get business quickly. But again, once you stop paying, you're taken off that list. So that's why it's important to rank organically. And you're not in this top 3 of these maps right now. That's okay, because you can make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet, because you do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom of this map pack. Your map pack, your Google business profile. Make sure that you're getting that completely filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, make sure weekly that you're posting to your Google business and that you're adding geo-tagged and geolocated photos, because that's going to help you rank organically, and it's also going to broaden your search. And then add citations. And a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number in Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, things like that. So if you go to Yelp and put your business name, address, and phone number in there, that is 1 citation. Anytime you have free time, I try to work on getting as many of those as you can, because it's really going to help boost your Google Map Pack ranking. Now, as funny as it sounds, Google is just a big popularity contest. So by giving your information to as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more and boost your business. And again, that's not just in your areas, that's your surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this map pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of traffic that's going to come to your website, and that's going to give you a call from there. But you want to make sure you're targeting the right traffic, the Birmingham, Alabama traffic, or any other city that you want to make sure that you are directing your services towards. Now, down here, we don't really count the Angie's, the BBB. So Hinkle Roofing is the #1 competitor in organics. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content either. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you'll start to outrank them while you're adding those backlinks, keywords, and the power to that site. Now, this is something I wanted to show you too, again, and you do got some of these, but roofing companies, Birmingham, Alabama, this is where I would want my backlinks to go to, because I want a portion of this 500. I want a portion of this 450. I want a portion of this 400, this 400, this 400, this 400, this 400. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There's like 4,000, 5,000 searches right here that you can be powering up to your website, as opposed to those statewide keywords. You really want to break it down into these individual cities. That way, when someone's searching, you're getting a big portion of this volume. So Mark, as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that volume is going to start giving you a call. And then depending on your close rate, turn those calls into customers. Mark, again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the tips. If you got any questions or comments about anything, feel free to reach out, because I can be that resource for you. If not, I'd just love to hear some feedback on this video. Mark, I hope you have a great day, and thank you for your time.